Instagram Story Hacks, a step-by-step guide. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add your Instagram story. Number 1. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Number 2. Access your stories. From the home screen, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Alternatively, you can swipe right from the home feed to access the stories camera. Number 3. Capture a photo or video. Once you are on the stories camera screen, you can capture a photo or record a video by tapping the white circle at the bottom center of the screen. Tap and hold for a video, or tap once for a photo. Number 4. Use media from your gallery. If you prefer to use existing photos or videos from your phone's gallery, swipe up on the screen or tap the gallery icon at the bottom left. This will open your phone's gallery, allowing you to select the desired media. Number 5. Add text, stickers, or drawings. After capturing photo or video or selecting media from your gallery, you can customize it further. Tap on the screen to add text. Use the stickers icon to add stickers like location tags, emojis, or GIFs, or use the drawing tool to draw directly on your media. Number 6. Apply filters or effects. Swipe left or right on your screen to apply different filters or effects to your photo or video. Experiment with different options until you find the look you like. Number 7. Tag people or add hashtags. If desired, tap on the text icon to add text. Then type @ followed by a username to tag someone in your story. You can also add hashtags by typing $ followed by the desired hashtag. Number 8. Adjust settings. Before posting, you can adjust the settings for who can view your story. Tap on the settings icon, a gear or sliders icon, to access options such as sharing to close friends, hiding your story from certain followers, or setting a custom audience. Number 9. Post your story. Once you are satisfied with your story, tap on the Your Story button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Alternatively, you can tap on the Send to button to send your story directly to specific friends or groups. Number 10. View your story. After posting, you can view your story by tapping on your profile picture at the top left corner of the home screen. Your story will appear at the top of the screen, and you can tap on it to view it as well as see who has viewed it. That's it! You have successfully added to your Instagram story. As the day comes to a close, let us take a moment to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us and the journey we have embarked upon together. Life is a tapestry woven with threads of love, kindness, and hope. Every step we take, every word we speak, adds to its design. Remember, even in the darkest of nights, the stars still shine, each one a reminder that light exists within us all. So let us lift our hearts and minds, for every ending is but a preparation to a new beginning. May we embrace the magic of tomorrow with open arms and unwavering belief. Gratitude can transform common days into Thanksgivings, turn routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. William Arthur Ward. Thank you for being part of our journey. Together, we create magic.